Hey YouTube, Douglas79 here. Wanted to give you a quick and dirty unboxing of this Game Face Airsoft rifle I stumbled across at my local Meijer. Uh, so it's called the Affliction Airsoft Kit from Game Face, from Crossman. It comes with a spring pistol and electric rifle stating 300 feet per second. Bought this for my kid to try out to see if it's something that he could use as a beginning airsofter, being young. It's hard for him to uh, carry the standard AEGs that have realistic weight and whatnot. So, anyways, let's open this up and take a look. Apologize, I don't have a tripod on me today. So, there's my SEMA Matrix SOCOM M14 from my other unboxing review. I put a red dot on it and did a little custom camo to it. So I just have it out for some size comparison once I get this thing open. So bear with me. Working one-handed. Okay, the Ghost. Alright, so here's the pistol. Very lightweight. Plastic. So yeah, this is definitely for kids. But it might be something worth trying out. So here's the rifle. It's pretty sturdy plastic. Got a foldable buttstock. There's the iron sights. Rail on the top. Quad rail. Don't know what this thing is. I guess for a sling attachment. So bear with me 1 second. Let me get this thing open. Oh. Alright, so got the stock open. Did actually have a spring latch to it, which was nice. Selector switch, safe, semi, full auto, good click engagement, not bad. Oh, comes hot. Let's see. Wow, comes hot with the battery. And I'm guessing it might be an internal battery that you can't take out so that you don't modify it maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Oh, there's a hop up. It does have an adjustable hop up to it. Let me lay it down next to the SOCOM 16 so you can see what it looks like. Again, this is an extremely quick and dirty review. Oh, not bad size. Not too bad. So, I don't know. We'll take it out and shoot it when we get the chance and see how it works. Here's the mag. So high cap, spring. But M809. So, I don't know. That reminds me of another airsoft gun. I don't know, like the G36C that was popular a few years back, but I don't know. We'll have to check it out and give it a shot and see if it's worthwhile. It was $69 at my Meijer store. Tried to find some information on Crossman Game Face website. Couldn't find anything. Didn't see anything on YouTube either. I don't know. Just happened to stumble upon this new offering from Game Face. So, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.